work on the sound of that string still. It's not quite right. I think that chorus. I'm gonna take that chorus off. Yeah. Nice. Okay, what's this? Road track there. Save. It's getting wild, it's getting wild. Right, let's try. Just put this here. Let's see if we can put this here on the just in between here to break it up. There you go. Probably need another one at the end there. All right. Right, string sounding better now. Let's turn it up a bit. I keep losing that string, man. Where is it? Put compressor on it. I'm going to put a little bit more to this part here. Put out the other screen there a minute.
On a trip.
We gotta find something. Come on, Junglist producer pack. Let's have a look. What we got here? No. Okay. Ragga Jungle elements. Let's see what we got here. Well, that's a nice little. Oh, there's some sick sounds on that one. We can make a little Ragga Jungle tune with that, man. I need bass sounds, man. That's what I'm looking for. Interesting. We've already got kind of one like. Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm doing all of the samples in this project, including the arrangement file, the whole entire arrangement, bounce out stems, and also all of these individual samples and breaks as well that are now in a phrase format as well. So you've got your individual phrases and stuff like that. So the reason why I've done the phrases as well is so that you can just literally just press a key and put the beats at literally any tempo, and it will work straight into your projects. I've got the breaks used here. All of them are timed up, BPM to whatever BPM you want to do, and also the whole arrangement, so you can load it up, you can check it out. The pack's now available at samploids.com. Go there, grab it. I'll put a link in the description. Also, you'll be supporting the channel by grabbing the pack and mess about with the samples on there and get a feel for how this all works. Also, for those of you who are the patrons, the pack is now available to download on the Patreon, free of charge, obviously, because you're already a patron. So that's big up to you guys for showing the support, showing love, keeping the channel going. Yes, guys, big up. Like that, ready? Right, let me just get on a bass channel a minute. Bass. Wow. Right, I think we need some sort of... Oh, no, it might be a little cheesy, man. Let me see. No, not quite, not quite. A reverse, let me see. No. Oh, that's interesting. A little stepper thing. Duplicate track. Stepper. Boom, boom. Alright, here we go. Right, here we go. Start from here, start from here. I feel like that needs to be like a sharp key. Yeah. Let me see what that sounds like. Okay peeps, this video is part of a multi-series. Look out for the next one. Please smash that like button if you want to see more quicker. Big up man, take care, God bless, peace.